Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the personalization section, agree and continue, allow, so then you go to wallpapers, agree and continue, allow, okay. So you can select one of these live wallpapers, the ones that you have pre-installed on your device. You can select one of these static pre-installed wallpapers, or you can just set up any other image that you can download from the internet, or just take a picture with your camera and set it as your wallpaper by going to the inventive wallpapers. Okay. No, it's not the same. You just go to album, select like the picture which you want to set up as your wallpaper, and then just tap apply. Then select if you want to set it on lock screen, on home screen, or on both screens. Okay. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.